Hey Dr. Lam, I have a very important dinner function tonight, so I need to look like radiant and fresh almost immediately. So is there any treatment that you can suggest to me?
Of course, Keith, I've got exactly what you're looking for.
Wow.
Okay. Now I have this laser in the clinic. It's called XLV, and it has two different wavelength laser. What I like about XLV is that it is a laser machine that gives you instant radiance, instant lifting, whitening,
Wow.
with absolutely no downtime. It is very good for facial redness, it is very good for veins, it is also very good for pigmentation.
You mean like just once?
Session.
You're just doing one session?
Yeah, if we just do a session just for skin whitening and radiance, it's an immediate result, so no downtime.
Oh.
And also minimal pain, because XLV has a cooling tip that will actually cool your skin as I'm doing the treatment.
Oh, okay.
So you'll love it.
So which means that I can actually just do it before my dinner?
Absolutely.
Oh.
And you just put on whatever you want to put and then just go for your dinner.
How long is the whole treatment? Yes.
Generally, we give you a very light numbing cream for about 5-10 minutes. The treatment takes about another 15 and 20 minutes. So all in 30 minutes you're out of the clinic.
Wow, wow, fantastic. Okay, so how many times do I need to continue this treatment?
Okay, XLV generally I would advise patients like most lasers about 4 to 6 weeks if you want maintenance.
I
Okay.
see.
To me, it is one of the best lasers around that gives patients, busy people like you, okay, who cannot afford any downtime because anytime you get caught, right?
For work,
for
for
filming,
interviews and filming,
exactly.
yes, I can't afford any downtime.
Exactly. So this is the best laser for you actually.
Oh, I want to do it!
Sure, no problem.